Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 10. Our Agriculture and Industries. Knowledge acquisition. India is famous for agriculture. The main occupation of the people in India is farming. Around 3/4 of our population who live in villages are mostly farmers. Improved agricultural practices, improved seeds, increased irrigation facilities, chemical fertilizers and improved agricultural implements have made Indian farmers to grow good crops throughout the year. Thus, agriculture plays a vital role in India's economy. Various types of soils and climate are found in India. The availability of irrigation facilities are also different from place to place. So different kinds of crops are grown in India. Types of crops. Various types of crops are grown by Indian farmers. The crops they grow can be classified into two groups: cereal crops and cash crops. Cereal crops. The crops which are grown for food grains are called cereal crops. Rice, wheat, maize and millets are cereal crops. Cash crops. Cash crops are the crops which are grown for sale purposes. Tea, coffee, cotton, sugarcane, all seeds, jute, pulses, grams, vegetables and fruits are cash crops. There are two agriculture seasons in India. 1. Kharif season. 2. Rabi season. The Kharif season starts with the arrival of monsoon. The crops grown in this season are called Kharif crops. Example: rice, maize, millet, cotton and jute. The Rabi season starts with the arrival winter season. The crops grown in this season are called Rabi crops. Example: wheat, gram, mustard, sugarcane and barley. Important crops. Rice. In India, rice is one of the most important crops grown by the farmers. Rice is grown on 1/3 of the total cultivated area in our country. Hot and wet climate is good for cultivation of rice. Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra and Assam are the important rice-producing states. Do you know? India is the second largest rice-producing country in the world after China. Wheat. Wheat is the staple food of the people of North India. It is the second major crop of our country after rice. It grows well in winter season. Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Bihar are the major wheat-producing states of our country. Sugarcane. India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Hot and wet climate is good for producing sugarcane. Sugarcane is used to produce sugar. The major producer of sugarcane in India are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Oil seeds. India is the largest producer of oil seeds. These are used to make cooking oil. Groundnut, cotton seeds, coconut and mustard are used to make oil. Groundnut is mostly grown in South India. Millets and pulses. Millets are jowar, bajra and ragi. These types of crops need low rainfall. These are mainly grown in dry parts of Rajasthan and in peninsular India. Urad, moong, masoor and arhar are the examples of millets. These are grown in almost every part of India. Jute and cotton. Jute is used to make gunny bags, linen, carpets and ropes. It grows well in hot and wet climate. It is a fiber crop. Jute is grown in West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Assam. Cotton is also a fiber crop. It is used to make clothes. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are the major cotton growing states in India. Tea and coffee. Tea and coffee are the favorite beverages of the people all over the world. Tea is produced on a large scale in our country. The major producers of tea in India are Assam, Darjeeling in West Bengal, Karnataka and Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Coffee is produced in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Spices. India is well known for its spices like cloves, cardamom, black pepper, etc. These spices are mainly grown along the Malabar coast in Kerala and Karnataka. Green Revolution. Since independence, we have made great progress in the production of agricultural crops. This success in agriculture is called the Green Revolution. The Green Revolution was launched in 1960s in India. Do you know? India is the largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. Several steps were taken by the government to achieve Green Revolution, increasing area under irrigation, using better quality of seeds, increasing use of fertilizers, manures, insecticides and pesticides, using better tools and implements like tractors and harvesters. Yet a lot needs to be done to supply the food for the people of a populous country like India. Industries. An industry is the place or factory where things are produced. For example, cloth is made from cotton in a textile industry, thread is made from jute in a spinning mill and sugar is made from sugar cane in a sugar industry. Cotton, jute, sugar cane etc. are the raw materials. A country that can make all these industrial products is said to be industrialized. There are many kinds of industries. They can be grouped into 3 categories. 1. Cottage industry. 2. Small-scale industry. 3. Large-scale industry. 1. Cottage industries. Cottage industries are the industries where few people work to make goods on a small scale with a small amount of money. Weaving clothes, making shoes, bamboo works and weaving shawls and blankets are some examples of cottage industries. 2. Small-scale industries. Small-scale industries are the industries where a small number of workers are employed to manufacture goods. Making plastic goods, utensils, toys, fans, biscuits, etc. are some examples of small-scale industries. 3. Large-scale industries. Large-scale industries are the industries where a large number of people work together to manufacture goods on a large scale. These types of industries require a huge capital to set up. Iron and steel plant, textile mills, automobile factory and paper mill are some examples of large-scale industries. Since independence, our country has made a great progress in the field of industries. Liberal industrial policy has been made by the government to speed up the industrial production. Some requirements of modern industries are: 1. Raw materials should be available near the industries. 2. Source of power is important to run factories and it should be near the industries. 3. A marketplace is necessary near the industries for the consumption of their products. 4. Transport facility is needed to take the raw materials to the industries and the products to the market. 5. Suitable climate also plays a pivotal role in the formation of industries. Let us know about some important industries in India. Iron and steel industries. Iron and steel industries are very important industries for the development of our country. These industries supply tools and machinery for other factories. Iron and steel industries are located at Rourkela in Odisha, Bokaro in Jharkhand, Durgapur in West Bengal, Jamshedpur in Jharkhand and at Salem in Tamil Nadu. Textile industries. The oldest and largest industries in our country are the textile industries. Cotton, woolen and synthetic clothes are made in these industries. Some important textile industries of India are located in Surat, Mumbai and Kanpur. Textile industries are also found in Delhi, Gwalior, Madurai and Coimbatore. Sugar industries. The second largest industries in India is sugar industries. In our country, sugarcane is mainly produced in the states of Bihar, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So, most of the sugar factories are located in these states. Our country has made a great progress in almost every industry. Industries are giving employment to many people. Industries increase the prosperity of our country. Keywords: import, to get something from abroad; export, to send something to abroad to earn foreign exchange. Rabi season, it starts at the end of rain. Kharif season, it starts with arrival of monsoon. Let's revise. Continuous review. About 3/4 of Indian people are farmers. The crops which are grown for sale purposes are called cash crops. India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. There are 3 categories of industries in India. These are 1. Cottage industry, 2. Small-scale industry, and 3. Large-scale industry. The oldest and largest industries of India are the textile industries.
Like, share and subscribe.